Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you may be watching this from. And this is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. Now, this is another component under additional mathematics vectors, which is position vectors. Let's get on with it. Alright, we should first of all start thinking about the x or y plane. We have our basic x or y plane like that. So the origin, of course, is there, the x-axis right there, the y-axis right there. So that's the x or y plane. Now, position vectors are vectors that start from the origin. This O right there, 0, 0, is the origin. So if we can have a point here, point P, which is 1, 2, and then we draw a vector. So from O to point P, we have moved 1. So we have moved 1 there and 2 for the y. That's what we're trying to say. So a vector that is starting from the origin is called a position vector. We can also have something like this. Alright, then this one we can call it a C, which can be maybe 2, 1. So we have 1, 2 and a C, 2, 1. So all these are position vectors. This one to there, that one to that one. Now, OP using the column vector. If you do not know what a column vector, it is a way of representing a vector like this. The x here represents movement along the x-axis, the y represents movement along the y-axis. So OP in that column vector would be, so we know OP is like a coordinate. Since it's starting from the origin, it is a coordinate. I don't know if that makes sense. What I'm trying to say, there are vectors like RS. Maybe it might be starting from 1, then going up. What I mean is, we can have a vector that can be starting from 1 and going up. OP is 1, 2. And then we have OC being equal to a 2, 1. So this is our OP 1, 2. Then there are 2, 1. A vector that starts with O in the beginning is used to represent a position vector. So that has been the first part of the video, which is position vectors. Vectors that start from the origin. The next thing that we're going to look at are collinear points. That will be in the next video. Alright. Thank you for watching. This has been Cornelius Lubinda, and bye-bye.